Yeah.
Fortunate. So, yeah, that's actually a good length. So now I know we kind of just stay at this length.
This is about
and it'll get a good
6
shot.
feet away.
6 feet away, huh? Yeah, see? We didn't wear our
microphones.
so they won't hear us. I don't think the audio will be good.
Yeah.
That's yours? Banana? I want to be involved. Come on.
I'm just trying to get the
This way. All you. This way. You.
Why are you holding like that? Oh, you good boy.
Want to get the water? Go the other way. Let's fight. Cheers.
Cheers. Ready?
Speedo. Oh, that's your bad. Remember that doggy bag, the black one? Instead of grabbing it. Oh wait, I have a doggy bag. Remember?
The green one.
What's up? Tomato. What are you doing?
Ant.
I see why the ants build the ant hill.
The hill's smart, huh?
You're worried about ants? And I'm worried about mosquitoes. They're not bad compared to my house. The juicy is so juicy. So what? It lost track of me. When did it lost track of me? Oh, just wait on. Why are you crying?
No Wi-Fi. No Bluetooth.
Yeah, it would be nice if I brought my microphone home. Talk a little bit. Tell us where, that too, but also like, how much we went through, you can reflect.
Did you hear us?
Got Look how close we are. can do it. What the? Oh, I'm so bad at this. Holy shit.
No, you can.
There we go. Yeah, not bad. I gotta learn how to use this again.
Do you want a bite of the banana pepper?
Okay.
It's just like pickle. It's not like pickle.
Holy.
Too much pickle? Too sour?
It's strong. It's strong. Put all your trash on this. I guess we'll use the frozen wrap for the leftovers. I don't know, whatever. That's sour. Welcome.
Uh-oh.
You know, I get welts, but not like when I was a kid. Plus, I just ate one, so I should be immune now. Look at that bird, baby.
Look at the bird nest. You see the bird nest? It's like 2 trees to the right. The one right in front of us. It has a bird nest. Right there.
That's the nest?
Yeah. Little bushy thing on top.
It's like a spider nest. I love it.
Really?
Alex. I got Alex energy right now. Got him! Why you do that?
Yeah.
You stupid.
Yeah.
Those are the...
Yeah.
Isn't that what they would do?
Yeah. You're stupid.
You're how stupid. You're how dumb. Man. I find excitement that one day I'm gonna see Jerry with somebody. Like, you know? Because I don't think he's gonna be work forever, but eventually I think he's gonna like somebody. And I'm excited to see who that is.
I hope he finds someone soon so he stop messing with everyone else.
What do you mean?
He's little got too much time on his hands.
Like being bossy or something?
No.
What do you mean?
He all up in everybody's business.
Oh.
About me.
Oh yeah. Wait till he finds someone. Yeah, see that everything.
Even better.
Look at my family. I haven't had an actual conversation with him in so long that she's totally okay with me. I don't bother me with that.
Salty? Tastes like banana pepper?
I don't think so.
Damn, boy.
I'm questioning things about
You gonna refill that? Yeah.
No!
Oh no.
I want apple.
Apple? Which is nice.
Mm-hmm. We're so romantic. Right? We're so romantic, and I love every bit of it. Actually, you got bit like this. Don't scratch it.
Me too. I love how romantic you are.
What? Was that gay?
You're so manly.
This is a gentleman's knife. Did you know that?
Oh yeah?
It's actually a gentleman's knife, yeah. Because you either use this for charcuterie boards.
What board?
Charcuterie boards. Or you use this as a letter opener, like a business knife.
Like a romantic one.
It's a gentleman's knife. It really is. Just like what I do in bed.
What the? Dang, that sandwich was always good in the picture though.
In the picture?
Yeah.
Dry, huh?
You should have just rinsed it out.
I'm just being careful because it's a meat knife.
It's alcohol, like septic white alcohol.
Yeah. Oh, forgot it's an apple.
Baby, why are you so fancy?
The cheese. Incognito. Incognito.
Healthy, but make it big then.
You ever put apples in your sandwiches? It's pretty good.
I don't eat a lot of sandwiches. Did you eat your sandwich already?
I threw it in the utmost, actually. Stab it there. And then there's, How's it? Good mix? I like adding apples and cheese.
Yeah. Baby silver. I just finished this.
Okay.
Drink more water then.
One more, okay? Good
Big ass bite. Gonna wrap it with knife.
This place is good.
Jersey Mike's.
Mm-hmm.
It's expensive compared. Baby!
It's a heart now.
Yeah, eat that part now.
No, it's a heart. Whatever. This is a good hike. I think it's really leisure. Let's just turn. Oh, I cursed in front of a patient and they smiled at me.
Oh, really?
I'm so sorry for cursing. Because we were just talking and I felt...
You were talking with another nurse and you just cursed?
I felt so comfortable with them that I cussed at him.
Oh, with the patient?
The patient and the mom, yeah. They were like, well, he's 17. But he's like kind of upset.
Yeah.
He's one of the 17-year-olds that are like this.
The apple makes a big difference.
You know who taught this to me?
Nanette.
No, actually, I know.
Oh, yeah? Oh my god. What?
Just want to give whoever. Oops. It's so good. This together is so good. Oh, yeah.
I'm done.
No cracker.
You want cracker? No cracker?
You have to say that to me. Well, that's not. Oh, gosh. I didn't eat that. I'm not sick.
Should I turn the
Is this
juice
the-
out? It's gonna spill everywhere.
Here, look up.
Put it with the Tupperware. maybe I should just put the cheese on there too.
Too good for you.
No,
No.
it's just less plastic.
Look, baby. Inverted sandwich.
No way.
How about this one?
Ooh, that felt weird. That felt hecka weird.
Yeah?
Yeah. That was meaty.
You're a little in love now, huh?
Make me want to go back.
What do you want to name it? Huh?
Ew.
What am I? Fucking elementary? Look.
Taking hella bites out of that one cracker.
How's that grade?
I'm gonna be a 3rd grader next year.
Did you see my sandwich? What the? I love meat.
Are you even allowed to do that? Ooh, I'm gonna tell the teacher.
That's good. Way better than 2 crackers. Left hand?
Yes. Thank you.
You need sanitizer?
No.
Oh, I took my sanitizer.
I left it on the desk.
Ooh, that was amazing, dude.
Where'd you get these poop bags from?
Or maybe I grabbed it. That's what I do. Like if you see that, I just grab the body bags. I love big brands. Gotta get them, you know?